everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your PS Plus games each month on your PlayStation 5. So if you have an active subscription to PlayStation Essentials or above, it's very easy to find the games each month. So just on the home screen here, there is an option just next to the store. That's indicated by the PS Plus symbol. All we have to do is go on down, and then we can see the monthly games right here. Go to it, and then add it to your library. Once you do, you can go ahead and download it to your PlayStation 5. So there's typically 3 games each month. You get like 1 or 2 for the PlayStation 5, and then maybe 1 or 2 for the PS4. And you can see the different versions. So I have PS5 and PS4 versions, so we can download either version. And then we can see other exclusive deals here. And then we have the upgrade options and how much it's going to be. So I could upgrade for 1 day for 21 cents. But you can look at the different catalogs too if you have the upgraded subscriptions down here. So it says it's the season of play. And we can look at the different tournaments or whatever is going on over here. The benefits, the collection. So if we have the premium versions, we can see all the different games based on the category of games that we can download. And then we have games over here as well. And this last section right here is all the games that are on PlayStation Extra. So you can look at the symbol and see which one they belong to. So there's tons of different games in here. I can continue to scroll down and down and down. So look through this category and you can see what you can go ahead and download if you have the upgraded subscriptions. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.